Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to extract the year from a date field in Power BI. So let's start. I'm on the Power BI desktop and I'm on the reporting tab, as you can see on the left hand side, and I'll click on the modeling tab and I'll click on new table. So I'll just call this table DimDate and I'll use the add columns command to add new columns to it. So I'll just say add columns and then I'll use CALENDARAUTO function, which looks at all the dates in this model and gives us the date corresponding to the data that we have in this data model. So I'll just use that, and then I will just say, so I want to find the year. So we will just extract the year, and the way to extract the year is we'll just use the year DAX function and we'll pass the date that this CALENDARAUTO function returns. So I'll just close this out and hit enter. And let's just go to the data tab on the left. And it is showing us the DimDate, and you can see it is giving us the date and the year. So what is happening here is that we are creating a column called year, as you can see, and we are passing the date, which is generated as a result of the calling the CALENDARAUTO function, and we're passing it to the year function, and it extracts the year from that. So if you can call it year 1 or whatever, so we can call it year 1. It doesn't really matter. So I'll just go back and change the column name to the correct year column name, and all we've done is we passed. So all you need to do to extract year from a date field is to pass the date field to that year function. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.